And here we have the larger bench grinder. It's not just closer, it is larger.
Daddy grinder.
Small grinder, big grinder. Purchased about between 6 and 7 years ago. It's been in my shed for all that time, unused. It needs the face guard fabricating, and it also needs the whatever they're called, the ledge table to be sorted out. So it's a project. The bearing sounds a bit rough because I just spun it by my fingers.
Ooh. So
I'll donate bearings if there's interest to it, and I'll fit them. But I don't really have time to go for fabricating bits up myself. So if the people after a large bench grinder like it, I'll leave it behind. If not, I'll take it away after a suitable period.
Shall we give it a go?
You give it a whiz.
Hey! Whoa! What's that? Can you add brakes to these things?
I don't think it's worth it. It's sort of you just walk away from and leave going.
Oh, but health and safety!
Health and safety!
Oh,
we should have stuck something in it. No!
Well, it's
No.
actually not safe at the moment, is
Yeah,
it?
not at that angle either.
Cool! Right, as thrilling as this is.
Yeah. The nameplate doesn't list a lot. 220, 250 volts, 50 cycles, one phase. There's no horsepower rating, but it's listed at 6.1 amps at 1500 RPM. And it's a Black & Decker, made in England, a 10-inch ball bearing bench grinder. And I think the 10 inches is referring to the diameter of the motor, not the diameter of the discs. However, I stand corrected. The approximate diameter of the disc is 260 millimeters. There we go.